Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the monthly Aussie dollar, I still think this is a WXY. I still think this is an ABC of wave Y, which I believe the most likely place for this to go is the 78 or possibly even the 100% Fibonacci extension to complete three waves up for W, three waves down for X, and three waves up for wave Y. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this. First of all, as an A, a B, and then I think this is a 1 of C. I think this is an ABC, 2 of C. I personally think this higher weekly time frame is going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows for a wave 3 of wave C, which is a wave C of wave Y. So heading down to the daily time frame, the Aussie overall has definitely been very, very strong compared to most dollar pairs. We still don't even have a break of structure to the downside on the Aussie. There's always a chance that this Aussie doesn't even break structure and it just keeps on trending up, especially because I believe we're in a wave 3 on the much higher time frames. Logically, I would think that it would break structure, three waves down, three waves up, maybe five waves down for a wave C and then continue the uptrend, make more of a proper 1, 2, and 3. But it definitely doesn't have to do that, and the trend is definitely up right now on the daily, and the trend is your friend. So definitely primarily looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I'm definitely still looking for longs. There actually has been a couple pretty decent long opportunities this week. It's been a very sideways market this week for the dollar, but there definitely has been some pretty decent little trades. I got my Fibonacci retracement out here. I would personally be keeping an eye on this because if it does make three ways up to a fib level and pulse it down, then you definitely want to get out of your longs. Possibly even consider going short because I do think that it is possible it goes down and makes a wave C. But like I said, it doesn't have to. And when all the higher time frames are telling you you're in a wave 3, you need to realize that it doesn't have to go down and make a proper ABC. It literally could just keep on making higher highs and higher lows. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, with all that information in mind, I personally am definitely looking for longs. I think we already had a long at once this morning. If it does, make a nice little pullback, especially if it's a three-way pullback to a Fibonacci retracement of this last push up, then I would continue to go long. If it's actually a wave C, then it would likely go up to a Fibonacci retracement level, break structure to the downside, creating an entry to go short. If it's actually a wave 3, then maybe will bounce off of fib levels, but it will just keep on making higher highs, higher lows. Either scenario, I am definitely still looking for longs, at least until the higher roadmap timeframes, daily 4 hour timeframes, tell me otherwise, which they definitely have not done so yet. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.